I'm Adam with Frazer, and this is how to use your Onan generator. So hypothetically, a call just dropped, we're parked at the station house, I've disconnected the vehicle from shore power, I got in. First step I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start the truck. And then next step I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start the Onan generator. Now it's important to remember that the Onan, it's a small gasoline engine, so it's producing carbon monoxide when it's running. So you want to be cognizant of that, and you only want to use it when you're either outside in a wide open space or you're in a really well ventilated area. So with caution, we're getting ready to pull out of the station. To start the generator, it's very simple. You just simply hold the switch in the down position for 2 to 3 seconds until this light illuminates solid green. That's primed the fuel system. Now you hold it in the up or start position again until you see solid green. Now generator's running, the entire electrical load of the body is being powered or taken by the Onan generator. So we can pull out, turn on light siren, we can go on our call, go to the scene, take care of the patient. Typically, when you're on scene, generally SOPs are leave the truck running, leave the generator running, everything is fully powered. There's really no risk for anything not to restart. You'll then, if you're transporting, you'll then transport to the hospital. And depending on the hospital rules, they may say all vehicles need to shut off. So you'll need to shut off the chassis, you'll need to shut off the generator. Some hospitals are a little more lenient. They'll say shut the truck off, but you can leave the generator running. That just depends on the hospital. In this scenario, we're gonna pretend everything has to shut off. So we've gotten to the hospital, we shut the truck off, generator's still running. That flashing noise is an annoying sound. It's meant to be annoying. That indicates that a timer has started, a 60-second timer. If you don't do anything with that timer, the generator is going to shut off after 60 seconds. We're at the hospital and we actually want the generator to run in this scenario. So I'm going to exit the vehicle and I'm going to go to the rear doors. So I'm at the rear of the vehicle now. And again, this is a hospital where they say shut the truck off, you can leave the generator running. So you come to the rear doors, you open them, that alarm is still sounding, but as soon as you hit this red switch here that says genset acknowledge, you just push that up one time. That's done two things. One, it silenced the alarm in the cab, but it's also shut down or stopped that timer. So at this point, the generator is gonna run essentially until it runs out of gasoline. It'll run for hours and hours and hours. Or if you get back into the vehicle and you start the truck again, it's gonna totally reset that circuit. So when you get back to the station and you shut the truck off, it'll alarm. So we're gonna go through that scenario. Okay, so now we're simulating returning back to the station. So we've just backed in, truck is still running, generator is still running, shut the truck off. That alarm sounds. Again, there's a 60-second timer that's going off and a loud annoying sound to remind the driver or the operator that I need to shut something off. It's kind of like you left the ignition on, the keys in the ignition, that chime, similar, but more annoying. So we can either let it run for 60 seconds and the generator will shut down by itself automatically, or natural muscle memory thing is when you get back into the station, you're gonna plug the vehicle back into shore power. So when we plug into shore power, anytime that circuit is energized and the generator is running like it just was, it will automatically shut your generator down. So generator shut off, you may have heard that in the background, and our alarm silenced as well. So it's just another safety feature built into this to prevent that generator from accidentally being left on inside an enclosed space like we are right now. For more information about this, you can email sales@frazerbilt.com, or you can reach us toll free 888-372-9371. You can also email service@frazerbilt.com. Hope this helps.